This is the robot trick play that here's temperature is going to be exploded, stopping the robot and going to attack Blast Launch, Smash Road, and Light Knife Battle, and Smash Road is going to say, okay, that's it, you're fired. So we are doing it.
Okay, go.
We sure did it. Yeah, we sure did it. Yeah, we're gonna do it. Wait a minute. What happened to the temperature? Wait a minute. I know something. Don't just touch my teleporter. It's just protection. I know this is why. Don't. Move your body like that. It's gonna move his teleporter laser. What did you say? I'm going to attack your fool. Meanwhile, I forgot what it is. Well, it's gonna be the temperature. Symptoms are not good. Notice that the temperature is gonna be destroyed. That it's gonna be that. So you're going to do it. Fine, Blast Launch, just do it. You need to find him. Right, Bionic Battle. Right. Down here. No, don't. Just don't. I noticed that if you just shoot me. Or just shake it. Up and down. What's happening to me? Oh! There's the temperature, but where's this old body? Can't even hear it anymore. Good thing it almost broke my road.
Okay, finish up.
So, what are we going to do, Bionic Battle? I don't know.
Let's do this.
Okay, that's it. You're fired. What? You cannot fire me. Just get it all the way to the Super Blaster's hand. And go back. Okay, that's it. I'm going to shoot the temperature right now. This is the temperature. Thing to watch. I told you to shoot the cup. Okay, that's it. I'm shooting the cup right now. Well, here goes nothing. Oh, the cup got through. Finally, it's gonna be it. So, we are gonna take a break. It's almost gonna be the end. Hurry up! Bionic Battle said it. Right, Smash Road, I heard you.
Come on.
Oh, the cup got
Is that it?